She can skate.
She can skate.
I can run fast.
I can run fast.
I can sing well.
I can sing well.
She can swim.
She can swim.
Emma can jump high.
Emma can jump high.
You can use my car.
You can use my car.
Can I take a quick break?
Can I take a quick break?
Can I take a picture?
Can I take a picture?
It can be cold and rainy.
It can be cold and rainy.
People can be really rude.
People can be really rude.
You should stop eating.
You should stop eating.
You should see a doctor.
You should see a doctor.
You should apologize to John.
You should apologize to John.
We should take a taxi to the airport.
We should take a taxi to the airport.
You should take a nap.
You should take a nap.
James should be here by now.
James should be here by now.
The flight should be on time.
The flight should be on time.
He should be ready now.
He should be ready now.
He should get here soon.
He should get here soon.
He could learn a bit of language.
He could learn a bit of language.
I could see perfectly when I was younger.
I could see perfectly when I was younger.
When I was at school, I could speak French.
When I was at school, I could speak French.
Could you pass the salt?
Could you pass the salt?
Could you help me?
Could you help me?
Could you please open the door?
Could you please open the door?
You must wear a seat belt in the car.
You must wear a seat belt in the car.
You must try the pancakes.
You must try the pancakes.
You must put your phone on silent mode.
You must put your phone on silent mode.
I must call my mom later.
I must call my mom later.
I really must tidy the kitchen.
I really must tidy the kitchen.
You must take a shower.
You must take a shower.
You must wear warm clothes.
You must wear warm clothes.
You must finish your homework by dinner.
You must finish your homework by dinner.
Would you like another cup of tea?
Would you like another cup of tea?
Would you like ice cream?
Would you like ice cream?
Would you like some juice?
Would you like some juice?
I would help you with your study.
I would help you with your study.
Would you mind turning on the fan?
Would you mind turning on the fan?
Would you mind giving me a hand?
Would you mind giving me a hand?
Would you mind if we switch seats?
Would you mind if we switch seats?
If I were you, I would wear this dress.
If I were you, I would wear this dress.
If I had a car, I would drive to work.
If I had a car, I would drive to work.
If I won the lottery, I would buy a house.
If I won the lottery, I would buy a house.
I will call you later.
I will call you later.
I will go shopping after work.
I will go shopping after work.
The meeting will start at noon.
The meeting will start at noon.
I will travel next summer.
I will travel next summer.
I will take you to the bus stop.
I will take you to the bus stop.
You will pass the exam.
You will pass the exam.
Emma will be late.
Emma will be late.
If you walk, you won't arrive in time.
If you walk, you won't arrive in time.
May I use this phone?
May I use this phone?
May I come in?
May I come in?
May I help you?
May I help you?
We may go on vacation in July.
We may go on vacation in July.
May you live a long life.
May you live a long life.
It might rain this afternoon.
It might rain this afternoon.
I might bake a cake later.
I might bake a cake later.
He might arrive before the new year.
He might arrive before the new year.
She might not come to the class.
She might not come to the class.